Civil Code Section 4515, effective January 1, 2018, allows members and residents and their guests and invitees to use the project's common area for purposes related to common interest development living, association elections, legislation, election of public office, or the initiative, referendum, or recall processes. Also, inviting public officials, candidates for public office, or representatives of homeowners associations to speak on matters of public interest, and also to canvass and petition members and residents to attend the meetings and or distribute information about these issues. Associations and their owners are best served by having rules addressing the rights and restrictions on common area assembly and non-commercial solicitations, and required approval by the association. By doing so, owners are aware of all issues and their responsibilities before organizing a common area assembly or non-commercial solicitations.